So I would like to call upon our very, very cute little angels on stage. For their felicitation, I would like to call Mary Jean, Mrs. Mary Jean from Philippines, Mrs. Hero Gyanchandani. I would like to call upon on stage with a huge round of applause. Welcome Ms. Mary Jean and Mrs. Hero Gyanchandani on stage. Now, our kids, Amir Saifi, Guru Upadhyay, Parikul Bhardwaj, V.A. Shamyutha, Aradhya Satish Kumar, Ananya Satish, Atharva Bapu, Ayan Kapadia, Ayan Gogoi, Twisha Marjadi, Isha Majithia, Jensi Singh, Vyom Ahuja, Avneet Kaur, and Yashna Baride. So let's welcome our kids. I request Ms. Mary Jean and Mrs. Hero Gyanchandani to felicitate only the kids. Who have little kids at their home? So how many cartoon channels and serials you watch? I hope at every home there is full day one channel going on where there are kids, cartoon channels, right? Yes or no? Yes. How do you feel? Today we have very dynamic kids with us. Amir Saifi, Guru Upadhyay. Who is Guruji? Oh, he is Guruji. Hello, beta. Hello, Google. Parikul Bharadwaj. Hello. V.A. Shamyutha. आपका है? V.A. Shamyutha. Okay, he has the record. He's the youngest Indian to achieve the continent record holder title for solving Rubik Cube. He just broke the Asian record at RGIT Cube Open on 9th March in Mumbai and hence is officially ranked as first in Asia and 8th in world in cube solving category with an average timing of 1.4 seconds, where his best singles was 1.02 seconds. Big round of applause for for him. I think I can distort it, right? We would like to see. Who want to check it can look their cell phones. I'm permitting everybody to use cell phones openly and look after the timings. Yes, the time. Anybody who wants to check the timings? Yes, start. That is not even one. Oh my God. इतने लोगों का मोबाइल अभी चालू भी नहीं हुआ था. Great, great, great. It was wow. Thank you. Once more. Once more. ये कुछ जादू वादू तो नहीं है ना? You can see this. एक ही कलर नहीं है. Yes. Now we have Google here. Google, our guru Google. I hope really everybody is having here Google, but here we have Junior Google, a little Google. Hello, hello, hello Google ji. Hello. So, Guru Upadhyay is very well known as Google Guru. Say hello to everybody.
Say hello. बहुत सारे बच्चे. अच्छा राधे राधे.
Hello. Google जी hello.
जल्दी जल्दी.
अभी Google का मूड नहीं है, नेटवर्क खराब है. But we'll have some of the questions. No, whatever you ask, he answers. नहीं, Google बोल रहा है अभी नेटवर्क नहीं है. We'll try, but once again we'll see. What is the name of India's first underwater robotic drone? What is the name of India's first underwater robotic drone?
Abdullah.
Oh my God, it's so right. Next question. What is the name of India's first aerodynamic rail engine?
Papa.
That's nice. And what is the capital of New Zealand?
Wellington.
Google, you know, this is the need of time. Than having Google on mobiles, this is a better thing.
Guru, what's the formula of heat transfer?
MD30.
Good. And what's the formula of area of circle?
Payalekwa.
What's the formula of area of rectangle?
IPS.
गुड. अच्छा गुरु ये बताओ, सबसे पहले सूर्य के सबसे निकट पहुंचने वाले यान का क्या नाम है?
Parker.
पार्कर. वेरी गुड. अच्छा ये बताओ, ईयर 2018 में हमारे उड़ीसा द्वीप का नाम बदल करके, उड़ीसा में व्हीलर द्वीप है ना, उसका नाम बदल के इंडियन गवर्नमेंट ने क्या रख दिया?
APJ Kalam.
वेरी गुड. और अच्छा ये बताओ, अभी हाल फिलहाल में ही अभी कुछ महीने पहले हमारे अंडमान निकोबार में रॉस आइलैंड है, उसका नया नाम क्या रखा है? नेताजी नेताजी सुभाष चंद्र बोस. गुड. अच्छा कुछ कैपिटल्स पूछ ली जाए आपसे. कैपिटल ऑफ मोरक्को. इंडोनेशिया. इंडोनेशिया. आई एम आस्किंग अबाउट जकार्ता. वेरी गुड. इराक. पाकिस्तान. अफगानिस्तान. चाइना. युगांडा. कैनबरा. ओह ऑस्ट्रेलिया. वेरी गुड. और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछें आपसे? और कोई क्वेश्चन पूछें? अच्छा ठीक है.
हमारी गूगल जी का नेटवर्क सही है.
गूगल के मम्मी पापा के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. क्योंकि गूगल तो कोई भी ऑपरेट कर सकता है, लेकिन गूगल के गुरु भी गुरु हमारे सामने हैं. नमन है ऐसे माता पिता को. क्या खाया था भाई, गजब. जोरदार तालियां.
Thank you, Google ji.
जोर से बोलो.
राधे राधे.
गुड.
Radhe Radhe.
राधे राधे.
2 years, 5 months.
2 साल 5 महीने केवल.
Okay. Yeah. You can watch his shows on YouTube with the name Google Guru. So we have, if you want to see what and all he answers, you can see on it. Okay. Thank you. Next up, Parikul Bhardwaj. Hello. How are you? I'm fine. 13-year-old little wonder who set the record of being the youngest social worker at Kedarnath Yatra. The first person in the history of India Book of Records who has refused to accept her certificate at the time of records as she wanted to receive the same on stage. So I would like to know, how was your experience with this yatra? Like inspiring personality, right?
Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank India Book of Records for recognizing me.
Welcome.
And it was a very nice experience and I enjoyed a lot. Most of the children prefer spending their holidays and all in some trip or something like that. But I decided to do something different, and I spent my whole vacations in last year. I spent my whole vacations at Kedarnath, and there I helped the medical team of there, and I went to the queues of the mandir, and there many people were there who needed help, but they could not come. So I was the one who, with some people, of course, and I would like to thank my parents, my school, Mount St. Mary's, and India Book of Records. Thank you.
Welcome, Jit. Thank you. Very wonderful, very wonderful. Now, in the next, we have V.A. Shamyuta. Yeah. Question. How many have hair falling problems? अभी कितना टेंशन नहीं, I know many, but आप सब सोच रहे hair treatments, hair products, how many use n number of brands for it? I think many. I don't think, I mean, very less might be left for it. Okay. Yes or no? I know everybody's shying, but it's okay. But if you really want to know what is the power of hairs and how to maintain them, I'll call upon V.A. Shamyuta. She has a breathtaking record of pulling 990 kg car for a distance of 112.2 meters. You would like to know how you achieved? It was her healthy and strong hairs. So I'm pretty sure she will reveal this secret with us also. Yes? Oh, she's ready. Here you are.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi. Hi. Hello.
मम्मी कुछ नहीं बोलेंगी, बताओ.
Namaste. I'm very happy and thankful that you are boosting me. More in future. My question for you. Answer me. Only my parents.
थैंक यू.
Only your parents.
बाल तो दिखा दीजिए अपने.
Her hair, that's a secret, I think so. Enormous.
बढ़िया.
Thank you, thank you.
बहुत बहुत
So
धन्यवाद.
coconut oil आज खरीद के लाएं. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you.
So I think more than kids, parents' hard work, parents' sincerity, and parents' dedication is something which has to be applauded. A big round of applause for this beautiful, wonderful, dynamic parents. Thank you, sir.
हमारे जो पेरेंट्स यहाँ पर बैठे हुए हैं उनके लिए हम इतना ही कहना चाहेंगे कि इन बच्चों के नन्हे हाथों को चांद सितारे छूने दो, इन बच्चों के नन्हे हाथों को चांद सितारे छूने दो, 4 किताबें पढ़ के ये भी हम जैसे हो जाएंगे। तो बच्चों को खेलने दें, जीने दें उनकी ज़िंदगी, कोई दबाव ना डालें, कोई प्रेशर ना बनाएं। हम बढ़ते हैं हमारे अगले राउंड की ओर और अगले राउंड के लिए अब हम मंच पर आमंत्रित करेंगे एकता जैन को, अमीश चौहान, अनघा शाह, श्रेया डोंगरे, प्रियंका विश्वकर्मा, वृंदा सिंघल, मंगला पाटिल, राजेश और एस दीनानाथ को। साथ ही दीपक जी को भी हम आमंत्रित करेंगे मंच पे और इनके सम्मान के लिए, इन्हें मेडल पहनाने के लिए श्री मुख्तार सिंह साहब को मंच पर आमंत्रित करेंगे। कृपया मंच पर आएं। प्लीज आप सभी मंच पर आइए। श्री आशुतोष मित्तल जी को भी हम मंच पर आमंत्रित करेंगे कि वे कृपया मंच पर आएं हमारे इन रिकॉर्डधारियों को मेडल पहनाने के लिए, और श्री मुख्तार सिंह साहब को आमंत्रित करेंगे कि वे कृपया मंच पर आएं। मिस्टर मुख्तार सिंह। जी। श्री जितेंद्र सिंह जी कृपया मंच पर आ जाएं।